Hello, this is a tutorial for the Amazing Aces card trick. If you have not seen the performance of this trick, please go to my page and check out that video. This is going to what you are needed from the deck. You need King through 10 of spades. You need the 4 aces and 2 sevens. Black or red does not matter. This is the setup. You take the King and Queen of spades, one random card, then the Jack of spades. Then 1, 2, 3 random cards, and the 10 of spades. You place that on the bottom of the deck. Then you count 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The sevens go in the 14th and 15th position. This is how the deck should look. On the bottom, you should have King, Queen, 1 random card, Jack of spades. 1, 2, 3 random cards, 10 of spades. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and your 2 sevens. Set up the aces like so. C, H, D, S, clubs, hearts, diamonds, spades. Then you take the cards face up, count 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Square them up like so, and lay them down like that. Then you count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice there's your sevens. As you square these cards up, you are going to steal one of these sevens. So do a pinky break and just pick up the 7 along with the rest of the cards. Be careful not to show that you have the card like that. Set it on top of the hearts. Then for this card, you're going to count 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You take these cards, place it on top of the diamond. Then you take the rest of the deck, place it on top of the spades, pick up these cards, count 1, 2, 3 from the bottom, place the card Ace of clubs, the 4th from the bottom, square it up, set it down. Pull out the ace carefully, not exposing the card that's face up, then you take this, set it on top of there, take this pile, again, not to expose this card, set it on top of that pile. Then you take the ace of diamonds, set it on top of its own pile. Then you take the ace of spades, set it on top of its own pile, and pick up the cards like so. Then you talk about how the magician went through the cards, found an indicator card. So you take the ones that are after the 7, place them face up. As you're squaring up the deck, you're going to pick up the card that's underneath the 7 because that's your other ace. So then you set that down and you count 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your 7th card is going to be the ace of clubs. Then you pick up the cards, put them face down. Then you say how the other magician went through the deck, found the card face up, found the other ace face up. And then you take 2 cards from the top, put them on the bottom, then spell out ace of diamonds. A, C, E, O, F, D, I, A, M, O, N, D, S. That will be the 3rd ace. Then what you do is you just set these cards off to the side. You take the rest of the cards, you talk about how you looked through them, couldn't find a marker card or the face-up ace. And then you just simply set the cards on top of the pile that's already on the table by spelling out ace of spades. A, C, E, O, F, S, P, A, D, E, S. Of course, that's not going to be the ace of spades. The next card after that is. And that's why it's very important now to in-jog first, then out-jog, because ace will stay on the bottom, and you're setting up the deck for the rest of the trick. So, in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog, in-jog, out-jog. And you keep doing this until you have 2 complete piles. Do not put more than 1 card in each pile at once. Then, once you get the cards separated, you take the top out-jogged pile, turn it like so, and place it down on the table. Then you keep doing that. In jog, out jog, in jog, out jog, in jog, out jog. I apologize if I'm going a little bit fast, but I did not know that you had a time limit for your videos on YouTube. And you set that down. And you keep doing the in jog, out jog. In jog, out jog, in jog, out jog. When you're down to your final 2, you take those and put them on top of the pile, the first pile. Then there's your ace. There is your king. There is your queen. There is your jack. And there is your 10. And that's how you do the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate this video 5 stars. Subscribe to my page. And when you perform this trick, make sure you tell the story, because that is the key to the trick. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.